the James Charles Bank. I'd ask for Christmas.
Under decimals, please. Hey, sixth grade, in case you forgot, when the big guy's up here talking, those little holes in front of your mouth, they're pretty much closed. See, if wearing those silly things are going to make you talk, then I said, Colin, you could wear it, but Tyler, if you feel that gives you the freedom to act like in a different way, then you probably should take that off. That's just the way it works. Good point, Mr. Hahn. Decimals. Ladies and gentlemen, decimals. A little subheading under decimals today is rounding decimal numbers. Rounding decimal numbers. Just a couple things that'll be relatively simple. But there are some highlights you need to know. Okay, let's say you have, well, let me give you a number. 13.6352. That's not right very well there. 6352. 13.6352. And you were told to round, let's round this to a couple different things. What if I were rounding it to the nearest tenth? Okay, just like regular rounding, it works pretty much the same except there's a couple of special different things here. What digit is in the tenths place? Sam? 6. So the deal on this is the 6 is either going to stay a 6 or it's going to become 7. And the thing that tells you that is the number next to it is 3. If that 3 is 5 or greater, it's going to go up to a 7. If it's 4 or less, it stays the same. But here is the deal. It's going to stay a 6. But in decimals, unlike with whole numbers, if you are rounding to the nearest 10th place, there are no digits after the 10th place. I do not make these zeros. If I'm rounding this to the nearest 10th, the last digit in my answer is in the 10th place. So 13.6352 rounded to the nearest tenths is 13 6/10. And the reason for that would be if I added all these zeros there, they don't mean anything, but when I say that number there, I have to say that is 13 6/10,000, or 6,000 10,000s, which I don't want to do. Okay, you do not put zeros after decimals when you're rounding, you just keep it there. Frankie, what was your question?
What if we're like doing like hundreds?
Well, let's do that. Let's round it to the nearest hundredth. If I'm rounding it to the hundredths, I'm not sure what's going on with Mr. Board here. Let's go all the way down here. If I'm rounding, wow. If I'm rounding to the hundredths, something's really strange. I have to stop my computer here. Wait, let me do this. Let's go to Mr. Task Manager and see what's happening. Let's get rid of this thing. See if that makes any difference. Oh, look at that. Let's try this all again. If Frankie asked the question, what if I'm rounding to the nearest 100? So let's round that to the nearest 100. Round to the 100th. So if I'm going back to that number there, this is in the hundreds place, right? So I look at the 5 next to it, so that means the 3 is going to become a 4. So I end up with 13.64. I don't put anything else after that. I don't make those zeros. So this is 13 64 hundredths. Okay. Just like this, if I said round that to the nearest whole number, 13.6352. My choices are, what whole numbers are this? It's either going to be 13 or 14. Does it stay 13? Does it go up to 14? What does it do? Andrew? You always look at the digit next to the whole number, which is a 6.
it goes staying down to 6.
No, the whole number is 13. The 13 either stays
Right.
13 or becomes 14.
Oh, stays, alright, goes 14.
It goes to 14, and you don't put a decimal after it. Great. It stays 14. There is no decimal after it, because that's the number. Or, another example would be this. 3.7345. And you're supposed to round to the nearest cent. You're rounding to the nearest cent. Well, a cent is what place? Tenths, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions? A penny is in the hundreds place, so the cent is the same thing as rounding to the nearest hundreds place. So what would that be? Rounding to the nearest hundreds. Jordan?
$3.70.
$3 and what?
$3.70.
$3.73. Because this is the nearest cent. Okay, you round to the hundreds place. Does that make some sense to you?
Yeah.
Same thing if it said round to the nearest whole dollar. Round to the whole dollar. What would this be rounded to the nearest dollar? To the nearest dollar. Tyler?
$4.
Exactly, it would be $4. And you could put the 0, because we write money with that in there, but round it to the nearest dollar. I don't think we need to go any farther, but please, 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 like I said before, remember this, and I will mark them wrong. If you're rounding to the nearest tenth, there's nothing after the tenth. If you're rounding to the nearest hundred, there's nothing after the hundred.